Alright friends, we will calculate the sum of two numbers using a function that returns a value. So I use same exercise. So I correct this, I say number, and then number one, and then number one. Okay, super. So I am passing the values 15 and 10 as arguments. So now I want to return the sum of from function. So what I will return? The sum of two numbers. So the return type will be here integer. Okay, let's change it. I come here, instead of void, I will use integer function. So as you see, I get an error. So the method must return a result type of integer. Alright, I am doing this. What I need to do? I need to return the sum value that I calculated. So after calculating the sum, we use return total inside the function. We use return sum inside the function. So here the important thing is this line. So this line sends the result back where the function was called. So I call the function here. So I return back 25. So this line right now equals to 25. So what I need to do, I define a variable here, integer result, and then I come here, result equals to this function. You can think like result equals to 25. It's same thing. I return 25 here, so this value equals to 25. So what I need to do, I need to print the result to the screen. Okay, so I come here, I use system.out.println, and then I say sum, I put my colon, and then I use plus operator. So I print result variable. Okay, let's run it. I use Java main Java for running. You see, sum is 25. I hope you understand it. That's it. Great job.